Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change the default page of any portal in Pega. For example, uh, you have a one dashboard page, or you have a one when you launch the portal, right? You will be landed on a one particular page. For example, here when you click on launch user portal, in your case a different portal also. So for example, this is the default landing page of the portal. Now my requirement is I want to change this default landing page. So my client requirement is I want to uh, I want to display a dashboard page. For example, we have a multiple pages, right? For example, dashboard pages, spaces, or reports. So that means the moment when any user is launched this portal, the default page should be dashboard. That is my requirement. Okay. Now, how to do this in Pega? For example, let's open the operator access group. This is my operator access group, SBI Apple colon others. Here I have a number of portals, but this is my user portal. Okay, let's open this portal and the default convert to composite mode. So here by default, this portal is applies to what is the harness name. So inside the portal, what is the harness name? User portal. Let's open the user portal. Now this user portal is present in the theme Cosmos 030101 rule set version. Fine. Now this harness is having uh, the screen layout structure, or the screen layout template is header, left navigation, and right navigation. For example, this is header, and this is left navigation, and this is the right navigation. Now here also again just open this. So here the section name is user portal. Let's open the section name. Let's open the section name user portal. Here also this is the theme Cosmos. The section name is user portal. This is nothing but a dynamic container. This is nothing but a dynamic container. A dynamic container means the content will be keep on changing. That means this is fixed and header is fixed. When you click on any of these links, the content will be updated in the right side portion, which is nothing but a dynamic container. So this section is having a dynamic container harness include. See this, just open. This section contains a one dynamic container. What is the harness? What is the default harness here? Home. What is the default harness here? Home. In this dynamic container, see this one, harness include data portal dash home. This is the default harness name. This is the default harness name. That's why when you launch the portal, this is coming by default. Now my requirement is I want to change it. Now what I'm going to do, I am just save as. If you want, just do it in a private edit. For your requirement, you can save as into your rule set version. So what I am doing, just save as. This is a theme Cosmos, right? I am saving as into my rule set version SBI Apple. Now save. Now what I am doing is, let's check in. Okay, after making change, by default this is the harness name, right? Data portal home. Now what I am doing is I'm just changing dashboard. I'm changing the harness name is dashboard. Let's select dashboard, click on submit. Now save. Now close this portal and launch the portal again. If you want, you can check in. If the changes are not reflected, please check in. Now click on user portal. See this one. So by default, the user will be landed on this dashboard page. So sometimes depends upon the client requirements and some user requirements, etc. But okay, so in this way we can implement how to change the default, how to change the portal default page, default home page. I hope you understand this video. Now if you want, you can check in or you can discard, but in this way you just change this dynamic container default harness to whatever the page you want. Now here for example I have a there are multiple pages right here: home page, dashboard, space, reports, explore data, and even if you want, you can change it to reports as well. What is the harness? Is there any reports? mm, okay, pysm reports, submit, save, launch the portal, user portal. Now this is the built-in harness. Similarly, if you want, you can create your own harness and you can include it. See, this is the default reports. So I hope you understand